A look into Africa. Africa is the second largest and second most populated continent. It's also the richest continent with the poorest people. There are about 3,000 languages natively spoken in Africa. A few of them are Afrofuturistic, which is spread throughout the Middle East, North Africa, the Horns of Africa, and parts of Sahel. Nilo-Saharan is centered on Sudan and Chad. Niger-Congo covers west, central, southeast, and southern Africa. Coal is concentrated in the deserts of Namibia and Botswana. Austronesian is spoken in Madagascar. Indo-European is spoken in southern tip of the continent. A few of African material cultures is the wrist knife, used to fight for use of scarce water holes for cattle, mainly used by the border region of Uganda, Kenya, and Sudan. The shield, which is called the Sarada, the shield design system used to differentiate tribes in aged grades. Red is obtained by mixing earth and blood, white comes from clay, and black from gourd skin. The leg rattle ties around the calf of a dancer. A few non-material things in Africa is they believe that fatter people in Africa are the richest. They also believe that the bottom of your foot is the dirtiest part of your body, and in Africa you should never point the bottom of your foot towards anyone. Your right hand is for eating food, and the left hand is for unsanitary tasks that you're going to do when you're done eating. A symbol is the Fahudi, which on March 6, Ghana celebrated its 50th anniversary of independence. In recognition of these dates, Fahudi is a symbol whose name means independence. The thumbs up gesture is like the middle finger in some parts of Africa, which is very disrespectful. They value virginity in Africa. Hair braiding is also traced back to the African tribes, and it is highly valued by them. African also value communication and only likes positive communication. Some norms in Africa is respecting your elders, which when you're eating, the elders should always get their food first. It is also a norm for Africans to be quiet when they're eating and have no communication. And when receiving gifts from other people, you should be quiet and receive the gift with two hands. Positive and negative sanctions in Africa. A positive sanction is the lip plate, which is given to women when they're going to be married in a few months. A negative sanction in Africa is women cheating. They normally stone you. Africa is really coming up with technology where they are starting to make clean water wells in Africa so that people don't have to walk far to get clean water. Some folkways and morals in Africa is handshaking and always saying hello and giving a handshake when you meet someone. A big moral in Africa is the chief. They take the chief very serious, and you should never disrespect the chief. And this is what I learned in the African culture. I hope y'all liked it.